Welcome to one of the new high-level frameworks for using AI agents called PhiData, PHI data that you can see on the screen. This is open source. As you can see, GitHub, there is 16.2k star, and this is a new way of building agentic workflow AI agents and multimodal agents. And you can see this website, there are very good examples to start with, like legal analyst, financial analyst. I'll show you example of a financial analyst, and you can choose any of these LLMs like Olama, AWS, OpenAI, Anthropic for your work. And you can use you can add knowledge from Bloomberg, from different areas that is there. Let me quickly make agents using this open source framework. Build, ship and monitor full stack agentic software, and you can look at, there are templates as well that you can start using here as well. There is a lot of documentation to play around with it. You can build, you can ship, and you can monitor and improve these particular things that are there. So how you can quickly look into the demo, you can just do plus try demo. Your playground is going to open, so you need to log in, and I have already logged in. I have created a new session. I have already logged in. You need to so what you need to do is, if you have not logged in, you can see I have logged in, Muhammad Arshad. If you have not signed in, you can easily sign up using a Google sign in. It will just take a couple of minutes to do the sign in, and now we have this particular window that opens up. You can just select localhost, or you can 777, or you can just do demo agents. So the demo agent that is there, you have few things to play around with it, right? You can ask it specific question, tell me about yourself. So this is telling me about myself. I want to play around with finance agent. So finance agent, if you can see, I'm using by default OpenAI GPT-4o, and now I want to do some research work. So which stock should we buy? You okay, buy Tesla or Nvidia. Give proper recommendation as financial and recommendation as expert financial analyst. So this is I have written which stock should we buy. Okay, and let us see how it works. So you will see the magic of this particular thing. This is just a playground just to test it. So if you can see what all is being called here, so there are various for this particular question that I asked, you can see the what all has been used. So they have used these tools: get stock fundamentals. This is the they have taken the company name Tesla, the sector, and they have sent it to get the information for the stock data. Similarly, we have used fundamentals, analyst recommendation. So this is coming from that particular agent that is there. So get analyst recommendation. So these are the 4 tools that are used. So in this particular example, you can see that there are around 10 tools that are available. They are using their own storage right now. They are using the knowledge. They are not using any knowledge. They are directly using agents, and they are getting the live prices that is there. So as of yesterday, these are the different price. This is the market cap. This is the 52-week high, 52-week. This is the latest information of Tesla and for Nvidia, and it is giving us the recommendation. So this is what, and this is giving the analysis, and then it is based on the current data. Nvidia appears to be the stronger buy due to its robust analyst report. So this is what it is happening, and in the background all these things are working. So you can play around with this. You can understand how this thing works. This configuration works, and once you are interested, you can also try to I'm not sure whether the code is available right now or not, and from here, but if you log in and you start building your applications, you will be able to see the code as well here. Yeah, in the, I think in the, once you're building something, you'll be able to see the code. So just one second. So now you can see this is the dashboard, this is the setting, this is the API key. You can also get API key and start using it on code. This is the setting information. Playground is what we are doing. Dashboard is something that you have access to, and documentation is something that you need to understand. Quickly I'll go through it. What is, as you can see, what is PhiData, and it is giving you a it is helping us build agents and workflow to automate intelligent work, and this is helping us do all these things. And in the Python code also you can start using it. You just need to install PhiData, and in the next video we will look into how we can do this in our Python notebook that is there. But this is the very and the same course that I did, finance agent, is showing here as well to play around with it. So we will try to execute this in our Python notebook in the next video, but explore PhiData. We'll put the link in the comment as well, and this is one of the other new frameworks to play around with multi-agents and in a very simple way. And this framework is good if you want to understand more about how it works. You can more about how it works, and you can just go through this database, what all is helping. I'm not sure exactly. Introduction, examples, like we played with finance agent, right? So this is a finance agent that we use. So they were using Yahoo Finance in the background, and we are going to look at it as well. How does PhiData work? And it is just using a framework. More details you can know here if you open this GitHub notebook. This is how it is working. So in details, if you see, this is the memory, this is the knowledge, and this is the tools that it is using, and this is will giving you in more details of how it works. We played around with this particular thing. The code for this is also here. If you can try the same thing in the code as well and start using it. So thank you very much, and play around with this specific PhiData, and we will share you more information in the future videos. Thank you.